Hello, first graders. Today we are going to go ahead and take your spelling test. So make sure you have your spelling test paper in front of you or a blank sheet of paper, numbered 1 to 8. Number 1, came. She came to my party. Came. Number 2, make. Will you make me a cake? Make. Number 3, brave. He was brave and did not cry. Brave. Number 4, late. Don't be late for school. Late. Number 5, gave. I gave Maria a ride on my bike. Gave. Number 6, shape. The cake was in a round shape. Shape. Number 7, waves. Big waves crash on the beach. Waves. Number 8, chases. My cat always chases his tail. Chases. Just do your very best, first grade spellers. If you need to hear a word again, you can rewind the video. See you next time.